welcome to this new video on Crick Tracker with me, Nivedna Prabhu. Before I begin the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Crick Tracker if you haven't done it as yet. What is happening in the world of cricket? Well, for starters, let's talk about the rules that MCC is considering to change for the safety of players. Uske baad, we're going to talk about which Indian cricketer does Gautam Gambhir feel is not going to be playing the pink ball test, which is going to start tomorrow. And in the end, we're going to find out what did David Warner have to say to Glenn Maxwell about his IPL auction. So we're going to find out all that and much more in this video, so stay tuned. दोस्तों सबसे पहले बात करेंगे वो द मेलबोर्न क्रिकेट क्लब which has decided to bring new laws or rather ensure the safety of cricketers after a lot of discussion about the dangers that short pitch deliveries bring. In fact, the MCC is looking hard in tandem with the World Cricket Committee when they had a discussion over a conference call about what can they really do to ensure safety of players, especially when in the past couple of years a lot of injuries, concussions have taken place, and they want to ensure that the players are not getting affected in any way, and which is why they want to ensure better laws. Now this they plan to do in a 2 or 3 step process wherein they plan to conduct a global consultation and get that survey within March, and thereafter they will be getting that data by the month of June so that different stakeholders can really talk and debate about what they feel like, which rule would actually make a difference, because there are different aspects to consider, and hopefully by the year end they will have a solution or rather new rules on this matter. India-England are all set to clash tomorrow in the 3rd test in Ahmedabad, but looks like a former Indian cricketer feels like an Indian cricketer who's just recovered from his injury might not be a part of the playing 11. What am I trying to talk about? Well, दरअसल बात ये है that Gautam Gambhir feels that although Umesh Yadav has recovered from his calf injury which occurred last year during the match against Australia, he'll not be playing the pink ball test against England. He also went on to state that India's seamers Ishant Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj would be enough for the 3rd test, and Umesh might not have a place in the playing 11. In fact, Gautam Gambhir even went on to praise Mohammad Siraj and was very impressed with his performance, and he also stated that in spite of the fact that the 2nd test did not have much to offer for fast bowlers, he was extremely impressed with Mohammad Siraj's performance. However, he still feels that Umesh Yadav will not have a spot in the play. Well, the IPL mini auction conducted on February 18th in Chennai was quite successful, but looks like the discussion about this one particular player is not dying anytime soon. We're of course talking about Glenn Maxwell, who was sold to Bangalore for 14.25 crores. But David Warner, who's currently in the commentary box while Australia and New Zealand clash it out, had something cheeky to say about Maxwell. When Maxwell was brought on to bowl, David Warner said that, you know, the IPL mini auction was quite surprising considering how much Maxwell was sold for, and Mark Waugh was quick to reply to that saying yes, considering how his previous seasons went. Although Warner was saying all of this in fun, he still feels like Maxwell's going to do exceptionally well this IPL season, but of course all of us will have to wait and watch when the 14th edition of the IPL starts. Well दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course comment below and tell me what do you think about Gautam Gambhir's comment about Umesh Yadav might not be making it to the playing 11 for the 3rd test, and also what do you think about David Warner's cheeky comment to Glenn Maxwell. Until next time, I'm Nivedna Prabhu signing off. Do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you know when we're back with the latest news in the world of cricket. Until next time, bye-bye.